Welcome everybody, Comfy Dad Shoes here. Today's video is going to be a pretty quick one. It was inspired by a question from one of the viewers actually regarding how my audio is set up. So I figured I would just go ahead and give a quick breakdown of the entire Motovlog setup because it's really pretty simple. I'm going to go ahead and start with where the viewer had a question, which is pertaining to my audio. So what you're seeing right here is the Purple Panda mic, and this fuzzy little part right here is the actual microphone itself, and it's made like this essentially to kind of keep that wind buffeting sound out. And where I put it is on this Scorpion XO helmet. You essentially just take this piece and it clips into the chin curtain right here. So I'm obviously not doing this perfectly, but just kind of give you an example. So you just clip into there, and I'll have it set there so you can see as I'm riding, it's kind of out of the face. It's not as intrusive when I set it up for riding though, because it would be like that. But let's go back down. So the audio, one of the questions that they had was how I was plugging the audio in, and it's a 3.5 millimeter jack. So it's that style of jack. And then this is the adapter for it. As far as how I actually mount my camera, there's a company called Chin Mounts. And so this is a Scorpion XO helmet, topographical was the pattern for it. I cannot remember, it just says Scorpion XO. I love the helmet because it's full modular, so you can go face up. And it also has this little thing, I guess, to protect you from the rooster tails. And it also keeps the sun out of your eyes. But going back to this is a company called Chin Mounts. And if you look real close, you can see that they 3D print their mount brackets to each specific type of helmet. So when you go on their website to order it, they'll ask you what your helmet is, and so you can get it custom made for your specific helmet. I was using a Torque helmet, but once you broke the helmet in, it got kind of loose on your head. And I noticed in some of my footage, it seemed kind of like bobbleheadish, and it seemed like my camera angle was changing a lot. So I switched it over to my main helmet. And then with the GoPro, you always have these adapters that connect to it. Sorry, it's a little blurry, but this adapter right here clicks into the chin mount. And then my actual camera itself, I use two cameras. One is the iPhone camera. You'll see when I do like videos where it's just me showing something on the bike or talking about it, that's gonna be the iPhone camera. And then for the actual rides themselves, this is an older camera. It's a GoPro Hero 8. It's what I could afford when I could afford it. And so I've been using it. It is a little glitchy, but as my camera grows, I intend to investigate different kinds of cameras and even different angled cameras that I could possibly sync some audio into. I want to show this to everybody if you stayed around for this late in the video, because I encourage any of you that want to share your rides or experiences to do so, even if people that come onto a channel might be critical of what you have to say. I like to see as many different people talk about a bike, because each person's opinion might give you that one little morsel or that one little tidbit of information that you're looking for that other reviewers may have missed. So I highly encourage it for everyone. It's definitely a learning process. Know that as you go along, like, you know, none of us, I mean, some of us may be, but I'm certainly not an expert. I just like to share what I do know, and I like to share what I got going on, and it's just fun for me to do, and it's a cool hobby. But anyway, it's not hard to get started. What you see right there, it looks like this is 1, 2, the adapter, 3, and the camera, 4 parts. So 4 parts plus a phone, 5 total parts to get you started. Don't be scared to put yourself out there. Like I said, I encourage everyone to do it. Again, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, go ahead, subscribe, and there will be more motorcycle content on the way. Thanks a lot. Take care.